Swiss passenger ship collided with tanker on Western Scheldt, heavy damages. Update, please find Viking's statement below. We can confirm that just after midnight, CEST, on 1st of April, Viking Idun and a cargo vessel collided while sailing from Antwerp to Ghent. No guests were injured. The ship sustained some damage near the bow and is currently docked in Terneuzen with all guests. While damage of the ship is being assessed, guests will continue with a modified version of the itinerary. We hope to have the ship in operation in time for its next departure on 4th of April. If that should not be so, future guests will be accommodated on another Viking Longship. Viking's customer relations team will communicate directly with the guests or their travel agents. Chemical tanker chemical marketer collided with inland passenger vessel Viking Idun at around 0010 at April 1st on Western Scheldt in front of Terneuzen, Netherlands. Tanker loaded with petroleum was en route from Turkey to Antwerp. Viking Idun was en route from Antwerp to probably Terneuzen. Both ships said to suffer serious damages above waterline. A number of passengers on board of Viking Idun suffered injured, some probably heavy injures, as they were seen to be taken to ambulances on trolleys. Viking Idun was taken to Knol Terneuzen and berthed. Tanker was anchored near collision site. As of 0530 at April 1st, she was at anchor with tug at her side. No leak reported. Chemical tanker chemical marketer, IMO 9,304,291, DWT 14,298, built 2004, flagged Malta, manager Chemship BV, Netherlands. Inland passenger ship Viking Idun, Messite 269,057,388, length 135 meters, built 2012, flagged Switzerland.